loves, welcome back to my channel. Lynette here, and today I am going to be talking about an electrolyte enhancer. This is packed full of iron, magnesium, a lot of other minerals. It has a lot of wonderful benefits. This is one of my staples I've been taking. It really has blessed me, not only my skin but my hair. I've noticed a big difference in my hair growth. So we're going to talk more about it. I'm going to tell you more about this electrolyte enhancer. We're just going to get into the video and get started. Boab is the exceptional superfood of Africa's tree of life. It is the only fruit in the world that dries naturally on the branch. Boab powder is rich source of vitamin C, which contributes to normal energy release, immune function, and healthy glowing skin. The immune system. The body cannot make or store its own vitamin C, so we need to make sure we get a good supply from the foods we eat every day. A single serving of Boab powder has 10 grams or 2 or 3 teaspoons, provides 33% of our daily vitamin C requirements. Slow energy release. This slow and steady release sustains us for a longer period of time and prevents us from feeling tired all of a sudden. Therefore, it helps the reduction of tiredness and fatigue, as well as supporting a normal energy-yielding metabolism, which is needed for all functions and activities of the body, including physical activity and exercise. Your blood sugars. Boab powder contains soluble fiber. This helps to slow down the release of sugars into the bloodstream, reducing energy spikes. Soluble fiber can also help to control blood glucose level, improve blood cholesterol, and reduce visceral fat. Absorption of iron. Over 30% of the world's population are deficient in iron. Our bodies require 2 types of iron, heme iron and non-heme iron. Compared to the former, non-heme iron is not easily absorbed by the body. One of the ways in which absorption of both types of iron can be increased is by combining consumption of iron with vitamin C. As Boab is a rich natural source of vitamin C, it is easily accessible to the body and is better absorbed than artificial supplements. Your digestive health. Boab powder contains fiber. There are 2 types of fiber that our body needs, soluble and insoluble, and Boab contains them both. Soluble fiber dissolves in the water found in your digestive system and can help to reduce the level of cholesterol in your blood. Insoluble fiber doesn't dissolve. It passes through your gut and enables other foods to move through your digestive system easily. It also helps to keep your bowels healthy and prevents digestive problems. Prebiotic gut health. The soluble fibers of Boab fruit pulp are prebiotics, non-digestible fruit components that beneficially affect the host by selectively stimulating the growth and activity of beneficial microflora. It is these prebiotic qualities that could explain how Boab might just be the secret to having the world's healthiest gut. Radiant skin. According to the Journal of Nutrition, Boab has the highest antioxidant content of any fruit. Boab powder has twice the antioxidant gram per gram of goji berries and more than blueberries and pomegranates combined. Boab is packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which supports collagen formation, helping to give you radiant, glowing skin as well as preventing wrinkles. Pregnancy. It is generally advised that pregnant women should consume 85 milligrams of vitamin C per day. Collagen is a structural protein that is needed for your baby's normal growth during pregnancy. It plays a vital role in structuring a baby's body and supporting their developing organs. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, helps your body fight infections and protect cells from damage, helping them to keep you healthy. Another key role that vitamin C plays during pregnancy is the ability to increase the absorption of iron, a vitamin that most pregnant women are deficient in. Iron is needed to help our bodies produce red blood cells, which carries oxygen around the body and to the baby. Liver health. A study conducted to test the capability of protecting the liver against damages of some substances, including BOAB, indicated that its water-based extract has significant protective effects on this aspect. The potential benefits of BOAB extract for the liver come from the presence of beta-sitosterol, beta-amyrin, palmitate, triterpenoids, and uracilic acid. Therefore, everyone should consume BOAB in as many forms to receive a good liver health. It's alkaline. BOAB is considered to be one of the highest alkaline foods available. The Journal of Environmental Health found that alkaline foods can also help defend our bodies from chronic diseases and ailments such as hypertension, arthritis, and deficiency in vitamin D. Pre and post workout. Another Birmingham study found that volunteers who took vitamin C exhibited 75% more post-exercise recovery than those who consumed vitamin E or other placebo. The pulp of BOAB fruit contains vitamin C, calcium, phosphorus, carbohydrates, fiber, potassium, protein, and lipids. The seeds contain phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, sodium, iron, manganese, lysine, thiamine, and calcium. Well, that was BOAB powder. I hope this video has blessed you as it has blessed me. Like I said, I am addicted to this superfood, and like I said, it's really blessed my skin, and I can tell a big difference in the growth of my hair after I have taken this. And this, my overall health, I can tell when I take that, especially when I felt like I've gotten a virus, and I've taken that BOAB powder, it just immediately just zaps it out. So it's a blessing to me. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Remember that you're beautiful, and I love you.